What does luxury really mean in 2026? It's no longer just about square footage or gold-plated faucets. Today, the world's most exclusive 10 coastal dream homes are redefining high-end living with features we could only dream of a decade ago. From fully sustainable eco-villas on private islands to cliffside glass mansions that seem to defy gravity, we are counting down the top 10 architectural masterpieces by the sea. Whether you're looking for interior design inspiration or just dreaming of your future 56 beachfront mansion, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Travelluxe World. I'm Emily, and today we're stepping inside the future of 63 luxury real estate. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the quintessential Glass Cliffside. Located in regions like California or the Amalfi Coast, this 64 luxury house tour starts with a view. In 2026, architects are using frameless structural glass to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living entirely. Notice the lack of columns. The goal here is uninterrupted sightlines. It's a bold, modern statement that prioritizes the ocean above all else. At number 9, we see the return of the Mediterranean aesthetic, but with a modern twist. This isn't your grandmother's villa. We're seeing reclaimed stone and rustic wood beams paired with ultra-modern smart glass and steel. This style is trending heavily in 2026 because it balances warmth with prestige. It feels like a home, not a museum. Yet it still commands that 63 luxury homes price tag. Number 8 proves that luxury doesn't have to be wasteful. This is the Eco-Luxury Island Retreat. In 2026, the ultimate status symbol is independence. These homes often feature Tesla's solar roofs, gray water recycling systems, and biophilic design, where nature grows inside the walls. It's about carbon-neutral living without sacrificing the five-star experience. A true 29 modern oceanfront house tour isn't complete without seeing how technology meets nature. Which style do you prefer so far? The modern glass box or this natural eco-villa? Let me know in the comments. number 7 is a massive trend for 2026: the dark mode aesthetic. For years, beach houses were all white and blue. Now designers are embracing charcoal stone, black marble, and walnut wood. This contrast makes the blue of the ocean pop even more during the day. And at night, it turns the home into a moody, sexy entertainment space. It's a bold move for any 29 coastal dream home. At number 6, we have the Wellness Sanctuary. In 2026, your home is your hospital and your spa. These properties prioritize health above all else. We're talking about dedicated cold plunge pools, circadian lighting systems that mimic the sun to improve sleep, and air purification systems that rival operating rooms. It is the ultimate investment in yourself. Number 5 addresses the elephant in the room: rising sea levels. This is the climate-resilient fortress. These 56 luxury homes, 2026, are built to withstand Category 5 hurricanes without looking like a bunker. Elevated foundations and hydraulic lift systems are becoming standard features for ultra-wealthy waterfront properties in Florida and the Caribbean. It's peace of mind, engineered beautifully. Number 4 is the epitome of quiet luxury. No flashy logos, no gold, just incredible materials like travertine stone, raw silk, and bleached oak. This style screams old money. It's designed to be a blank canvas for the view outside. If you love minimalism, this 10 luxury house tour is for you. Entering the top 3, we have the Smart Tech Mansion. This isn't just asking Alexa to play music. We are talking about whole home AI automation. Imagine a home that knows when you wake up and automatically adjusts the blinds, the temperature, and the coffee maker. In these 31 coastal dream homes, technology is invisible but omnipresent. Our runner-up at number 2 is the super yacht home. Architects are literally designing homes to look and feel like grounded super yachts. Curved glass, teak decking, and stainless steel railings give you the feeling of being at sea without the motion sickness. It is a playful, extravagant take on 63 luxury real estate. And finally, the number 129 coastal dream home of 2026, the private peninsula estate. This isn't just a house, it's a kingdom. Privacy is the ultimate luxury. Owning your own point of land ensures no neighbors can ever block your view. With multiple guest villas, a private helipad, and a deep water dock for your yacht, this redefines what it means to live by the ocean. From climate-resilient fortresses to quiet luxury compounds, the standard for oceanfront living has never been higher. Which of these homes would you pick if money was no object? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, you have to watch our most popular video ever on luxurious coastal homes right here. It's a classic for a reason. Thanks for watching Travelluxe World, and I'll see you in the next one.